Yeah, no, I can't. Muja, you can't say the student ID. They will have this bench on. So, yeah, no, I
Hey.
can't. My farmer.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Don't worry. Pray. I want to ask you something. It's about Aroma.
Oh, what about Aroma?
I won't say Aroma your ex.
Oh, yeah. We dated some time ago.
Pray. So, I say, you can't also catch me the dad out.
Huh? I don't find it a necessity.
No, you're my friend. Don't say, oh, no. Bibi, I will catch me on. But how come say, oh, ex in your room about one catch you?
Come on. My ex is my ex. There was no need to tell you that Aroma is my ex.
Precious. The way I'm seeing we are close, not least. Because I remember said the last time the way I was sick, what kind of bad things about Aroma. I don't know when you had that same energy and can't me say, oh, Aroma your ex.
The thing is, Aroma treated me bad when we were dating. But now he's treating you so well. So there was no need to tell you that I dated him and blah blah blah. I'm happy for you. Okay, he's a changed person to you. He has been treating you so well. And I didn't want to spoil that. I didn't see any need of telling you that I dated him.
No, right. Didn't me feel say me know you're close into I'm asking me feel bad. Say me close when not me dating the ex be.
So because I'm your close friend, I have to tell you everything in my life.
Yes.
No, that's not how it works. You don't tell me everything in your life.
But still, why you
Huh? Me, I don't see anything wrong with it too. Come on, I don't see anything wrong with it. He's my ex. There's nothing going on. So there was no need to come and tell you about it.
Okay, so who did it for how many years?
It was just for like some semesters, that's
help me finish my course.
But we are not done with the course, so maybe you are well, right now I'm in a relationship, a serious one. So don't think that maybe we have something going on or something. After we dated, right, and we broke up and I moved on, he became my close friend. We became cool. So don't find me as a threat, okay? There's nothing going on here.
So you mean say you don't
Oh
have
nah.
any feelings for me?
Oh come on nah.
Okay.
I would have made you away, okay?
Okay.
But I don't have any interest in him.
Okay. I didn't say oh you're media, so you look at cry when you're interested.
So there was no need to come and ask me this.
Oh, I have to. Let's say your name, Mama. We are pretender.
Oh, I'm not.
Oh yeah, because the last time the way I was sick, we describe it, would dress say Aroma no.
Oh,
yeah, very bad.
Because I care about you. I thought he's coming to do the same thing to you. But since you guys started dating, he's not been doing that. So there was no need to tell you, right? You now understand me, right? But who told you?
Oh, forget about that.
Tell me.
No.
I'm your friend. Tell me.
No.
Hey, this school.
No. Me snitch.
But you telling me doesn't make you a snitch.
Oh,
it's just a gossip. Just tell me.
She no one tell me your ex, so and when you say me boni papa catch me. I say
you have heard.
Okay, so thank you.
I'll come for the student ID.
Oh, okay.
But are you sure it's mine?
It's yours. Now lover's bench. Hey, prayer. Hey.
You thank you.
What do you call lover's bench?
What
do you call lover's bench? I am a bench. Why?
She's asking me whether I go to the lover's bench. When you're 2x4 boy, so when it's on no to me, I call lover's bench.
Come here! Boy, you think I was talking to you, huh? Hold down! Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Wait for what?
Aroma, there, calm down. Come there, let me explain myself. Oh.
Hey, keep quiet and listen to me. Keep quiet and listen very, very careful. What I've done. You see I'm shaking. You are not a journalist, right? Why did you took that picture to break up? Huh?
No.
Why do you take a picture of us and send it to Brita?
No, I'm doing school project. Yes, they said I should take video of the whole school. We will put it on the website.
Without a notice?
No, you see, you have already signed consent, then those things.
No, wait. I don't have a problem with you taking the picture. So why didn't you tell us that, hey, brothers, they said I should take a picture, so be aware of it.
But then you calm down and then let me get up and let's talk first.
Up. You see, I've been joking with you, so you think I'm your co-equal, right?
Oh, we are not equals.
Stupid guy like you. And you want to ruin my relationship with Brita.
I'm not trying to ruin anything.
Hey, brother, let me tell you something. With Brita, I can do everything. The word is everything. Oh, so why you call, right? Joke with me. Stupid guy like you.
But this class should let you understand that Brita is not even the one for you. She didn't even wait for you to explain yourself or anything. Listen to me. Brita, put her somewhere. You're a junior. Why are you even chasing your junior?
Oh, okay.
You see, it is something there. In school, if you go and date your junior, you are collecting trouble for yourself. Say to school and as a keep a junior dear pedant and a inch on fa one year.
Maybe my cash or no a problem, mama.
It's a problem. Look, me, I took it into consideration that brother James, you and I, we are brothers in this school. From day one, I have worked with you. Back when you were a ganja man, I was with you. Now that you're a man of God, I am still with you. I thought about it that dating my J sister, my J will give you problems on the daily. So I decided that no, she's not the one for you. You should instead go for someone who still likes you. That is precious.
Oxford dictionary. You are good at speaking English as a hey, Fanfila, wallahi, if you joke with Brita,
but I'm not joking with anyone. But you yourself, you should understand. Let's take it into consideration. Look at me. Brita just saw this video. Look at the way she's angry.
Oh, so you are even there okay, so after causing the mess, you are even there to see how it will end, right?
No. When I was going, I heard it.
Hey, Fanfula. Let me tell you something. Do you know how much I love my mom? You don't know. You have no idea. My mom called me and I was on another call.
Who, your mom?
My mom. You see, I was talking to Brita.
Oh, okay.
So I called my mom back and she was angry because I was on another call. Do you know what I did? She is even my mom. But when she talked about Brita, do you know what I did? Fanfula, you have no idea of what I can do. Stay away from Brita and I.
Brother James, I understand you have built an obsession for the girl, but just like I said, she is not the one for you.
Who? If Brita is not the one for me, then tell me who is the one for me.
Precious Cunningham.
Cunningham is the one for me.
Yes,
Fanfula.
Look at you guys. When you started dating after, look at how beautiful it was.
How did it end, bro?
No, that one day it was your fault.
It was my fault,
you
right?
You were influenced by the devil, but now, just like you said, the Spirit of the Lord has descended onto you.
Fanfula, wait, let me tell you something. I know, maybe you are just trying to be a good person. But Fanfula, you should know that Precious is not in a relationship. A healthy one for that matter.
It's not healthy. Oh, don't you know the stories about the relationship? In fact, I know for a fact that she still likes you. When I went to her room the last time, she was looking at. Oh, now, brother James, calm down.
I'm trying to
brother James, wait.
Calm down. You are still doing that, right?
Wait, I'm just trying to explain to you. I went to her place the last time. She has pictures of you on the wall, even the fan while it is rotating. She has connected some electrical device while it's rotating like this. Then your picture and your videos are playing on the fan.
Precious has my picture in her.
Yes, plenty.
Why would she do that?
Because she's still in love with you. You take your time.
Oh, wow. So she has a picture of me.
Yes, she's still obsessed with you.
The other time when I was chasing Opoku, my shoe made a mistake, so I couldn't catch up with him. So I have to take it off because I know we are about to run.
Wait, no. Look, isn't that my gift?
Yeah, me punk when I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in bro so we may.
Precious.
I'm coming.
Come.
So the nanti okra the kume. Hey, you have put one nanti now.
Oh, say my.
Hey. You didn't call Adam's kitchen. And also my mental home.
The popular Adam's kitchen.
Yeah, Adam's kitchen.
Thank you very much.
That's good. With your man, I must have prepare and be a man. If say you knew something there, then call me, okay?
Actually, I wanted to. I'm not really feeling
Can
well.
you amplify your voice?
I'm not really feeling well, so I wanted to buy drugs, but I didn't really have enough money. I wanted to ask whether you can give me like 1,000 cedis.
Start doing view. I am confused. You call. Hey. Okay, I'll send you the 1,000, okay? You said 1,000, right?
Can you send it right now so that I'll confirm it before you go?
Let me. I don't have enough balance. Let me check off my account. One of my phone. Then I put money on one of my phone. Then I will take one of my phone. Then I will send you one of my phone money.
Hey.
Yeah.
Right now it's 6 to send my by 6:30.
6:30.
It should be here. 6:30. Send it.
Ibu train adem.
I'm leaving.
When you
So I'll be expecting 6:30. If it doesn't come by 6:30.
Not be the back. Now the matter Jimmy for boys no me.
Yeah, thank you.
Don't worry. You're paying out who Jimmy? Would you send me 1,000 right now? This is it. By 6 o'clock, send me. Hey! You should not send in some pop. Blah. Why me to be Yamna? Bumwa Fini, I'll give me. Cap, something, may you. I call you Jack a crack comedy, may you call this year. Hey, you understand? Say that.
Stand by and listen to me.
Why listen? Why listen?
Oh, sir, actually, stand there and listen to me.
Why
Sometimes you do some things, it's not good. You have called you from the far place. Afrana, just stand there and listen to what I'm saying.
What?
Sir, Nabotre. Sir, need to be in control because me can't win. Sir, Miss Slow. Oh, mammy, time 5 minutes. Near Conafu and Kobe.
Me time na enso me you 5 minutes ma.
Just
now we dey some papa now be. Eh dia catch me you know me face to face
broni or see is believing. And a back of Waku, a dancing for no one.
The back of Waku dancing in what kind of block to say?
Ah,
yeah, you can't see a day of this year.
One have go and see.
You are full share the no. Now Jimmy as a student, back of Waku dancing in what to mean kind of block for back of one minute make dancing in I mean dancing in English evidence. One person have go and saw.
Where is the evidence person?
Yen come from Fetcher and also ability to work here, Junso. Eka ubrof no answer. Ubrof can echo home, echo Zara.
Then the caname fan to me 3 men. Obaku for more dance for no one.
Evidence.
Twice. Okay, evidence waka. Obaku for or dance for no one.
Again, answer.
Bro, from the same to me. It can bro from a me found to me. I'll say about me drew baby. I mean,
150. Who is evidence?
Huh?
The crowd didn't see you on him.
Bro, free the one work creative. Back off for
now, one a trouble, bro, one a trouble.
Elizabeth,
the Akin creating fan. So 100 or 10 90 in creating. If you can't make a trouble from to me, and I'm say once evidence. Always evidence.
Use your eyes to go and saw something. You let's go.
For what? What reason?
That
What happened there? What happened where you from? You coming from?
you can say disaster. Oh, and you can say nipa. Say nipa ne. Say abro bi beka wa na free wa won to mem. Say nipa na ho nwi. Nipa ya abo ne. Say dey yan kwani fo ni ko hwe. Ade ya si no. Say me se me hu kura na me ho adwire me. Hey, ewiase land. Say dey yan kwani ko hwe.
Ewiase ne land. Ewiase a planet.
Ewiase
A planet enye land.
ewiase ya dey planet.
A planet.
Na earth ye dey.
Earth is the same planet now.
Say ade a wo kan dey ewiase ya land. Na earth ye asase.
You couldn't clever at all. At all.
I'm very brilliant student, you know.
You couldn't clever at all. It is common science. We need a ewiase means and some. Who created the red?
Who created
The word.
the red?
The word.
Teacher for so come from
I say who created the word?
the God.
Who created you?
The God. Who created you? Who can God? It's never general ham.
I didn't know any God.
Nakupon very big. About the answer. Say, I can see you now here before banana baby. I make you on one call. Oh,
Eh? Tell tani many say na me no ko. Na yan kwase ade a on. Fukuma say wo hini say.
then I say, I'm me free in you, you.
Your book on go wa ha ba ma bono wa. Hey! What is your name? What is your name when? What is your name? No, I say why I'm pressure. Hey, people play. Hey, what is your name? Why I'm what to take your net and who to be told you? What's Sally Watty? What's Sally Watty? How again? What do you mean?
Scanty.
Fear be an any good.
Why? Ade. Asa ko plan biane aba o. Ana o ti bia ma me. O ti so o ti na ni do ti so.
Mr. Figu, you are in this campus then you chop the woman food.
Ade, nothing I will get you and want to only you know be.
We are fucking sin. We are still for the we are bad. We are shege area. When you mean innocent,
wrong if I eat your food.
when you said you're watching makeups, when you said you're we are fucking bad. No, I couldn't be a man be away. Jenny again, no. Figu.
Upon
Bring the food out.
when I make difference to be an
I said bring the food out. Figu. Punch one more water.
Oh, that's all. Of I mean, dear,
Mr. Figu.
of I mean, dear,
Figu. Fear, I don't know. I don't know. Figu.
We're just eating together. We've not even taken a bite.
We give you food. What food you talk?
We've not even taken a bite yet. I just wanted to eat it with him. I didn't give it to him. We're eating it together.
But the food
We eat it together. You can't eat it to your own. Figu.
Oh, that's why you if I'm eating with your own nephew, what is wrong with it?
It's the wrong.
Hey!
Sure.
Oh, sorry. If you're never wrong.
Do you want water?
Hey, I'm sure to walk. Put the water there, veranda.
Where's your
Come.
table food or come from food?
Pick your food.
Let's go.
Pick your food up.
Oh.
First guy, come and take.
Baby, I didn't
Come on, who will be you? 3 o'clock.
no cook what family I want for the
Mr. God.
For the biane.
You this girl.
and danger
You precious. Go away from me. I say go away from me.
I will tell to sell for you. Go.
Okasa said there's some minute. We are bad. Precious. Give for bread.
B for
S for what?
S for someone.
C for what? C.
Opoku, don't eat the food.
If you eat
Opoku, don't eat the food.
I did more than me. If you want to come as me be a mama.
Don't eat the food.
I'm not eating the food though. That thing what happened?
How brown slippers no go? Na slippers we come now say. What? You see Jane that's what.
Just send your brown slippers.
J for what?
I'm friend Hems.
J for what?
J for goat. Go.
Oh! I'm not giving you food.
Don't eat the food.
Don't eat the food you no idea.
When auntie say how to say player, say ya. Say can let me be. Who be there? Kwa yin free off.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Assignment.
Yeah.
Say which kind of assignment?
The assignment is I want you to destroy.
Now but one we have a car ketrema. Kachi metiase. Why? Other cry uchi. Yes.
Maybe a dream be show.
They are not holding. If you see them holding.
The demon na me dey show on san Opoku. The person tete Breta. Any Aroma tem. Breta ni Aroma.
A newcomer no.
Aye. The person created baban confusion to omo bi enu tem. Afun so wia. Once I be tete precious ni Adams tem. Create to a.
Say. I assignment here dey mami dey na say e show children say me concern
me ka say we concern me na be adwuma ma o say ye ma me na say otimi ya dey we ya ewe school mu a o pa kura ntro da I promise you say mama wa atwa nko.
You promise on honor.
I promise on my honor to be faithful of not to go on my motherland. Mama wa ye bibia
Adam's crown precious card the same as you cry.
Was that too inchine? The bread you be too inchine. As obi abọ me eku obi ewie no. Okwa no asa tia.
Ya no say wo me bona brand su.
Ba wa ku mi akume e boxo.
It was so ku wa no twanti.
Ya kanyina ya ahoma. But you hear me ya Breta. Any Aroma no. Titi wo mu ntama me. Break wo mo, ba wo mo hu so wo ye ho. Di obetimi aye. Tina am just adwuma we ma.
So no be mama adwuma de be kan for me bo ma baso na ti.
Ibi aso. Ibi pa bia o kan pa ho asem papa onte. Ba bone de obebe obete.
Anti say wo akoma pama. O pama asem.
Me do, me se me wa akoma pama o.
Idi asem abasisi afi anka de obedi ma.
Wo. Ni pita. Na uyi di na mi pe. Uyi di se da chime siye. Na wo hia me aka se teacher ni we na bo ame o. Ade we na teachers for your teacher ni no.
Ande mom.
Oh teacher ni ade bi chiri teacher ni we na ntirimu
de. Obi kura na ntin akwa obi ka papa obi ka glass. Say time wo school teacher ni ntirimu den o ma afia no. To no to we school no abo pa mo ko papa ni ka glass.
Asemi ni o. Ntimi ni ade bia me pese wo life si wi. Kofi boku titi wo monten ma no wate.
So we look at nke adwuma ketwa bi ma me ba ase gen no mu ade ase o chene hu bi o chene no hu bi.
Ga be ni mu ade.
You know I'm a Breta no.
Na o mu ade apa no be.
Ase o kasa no wana so o chene no hu bi so
fortunate. Su obu ade, su omu ade. Whatever you doing tete.
Adwuma we den ke kete ma me fa.
Ye adwuma we ma no wate.
Enkasa mre.
Ye adwuma we.
Me wo de me ana ade asem.
Ye adwuma
me. Say yentete abefo ntem. Say no anko nya sku mu anko awo. Penifo no mo yire no me de anyina me awo.
Ebi ti san wa mo.
Me modi but penifo bebre ma tete amafo
me
ntem.
Ba akoko.
Bebre ti modi. Sister no sister bi sister bi anansi fanfama. Me na me tete fanfama mo ntem me.
Fanfama ni bibi.
Me.
Wo sa fanfama ni bibi.
Me. Ai ko pie court no. Che me.
Na sisi ma de no so e.
Sisi ma de na nya mia. Mad me yanku pro mo friend Abel. Om na tete ntem. But fanfama de mia. Ba newspaper mu nyina. Mia.
Na konto de no.
Konto de so mia.
Jimre kwa
mia.
Akuma doma
mia.
Amankwa.
Mia.
Ekwa doma.
Mia.
You are so fantastic.
Hey, I'm a tilapia mia. I'm a koto mia. I'm a koto mia.
Opoku ye adwuma man. Ah, why? Sadi answer.
Sadi mia.
Abiba.
Mia.
Amina.
Mia.
Aisha.
Mia.
Asetu.
Mia.
Hey.
Enye kasa. So basi entity abefo ntem me. One of the best.
Can you get akweli?
Mia.
Atwe.
Mia. Na mia. Say media basi entity abefo ntem there. One of the best oh. Musu de jasha mensa. Jasha. Eyi awunani etonam. Mia.
Etonam.
Esinam mia.
Obi na bi.
Mia. Efo mia enyanam mia. Enfantini esi mia alaba mia
Yenya isi mpanti omo to pan no
mia ai China for am tete ai shonlen mia
shin konso
mia
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
na wonantie da ko polio omu nam free so sane so na onam ba na wo ba si ya letiti awo ti compound ga be na nkite na bibia boko de okochi na miase mana yeah ya kan say kame ba ho kura ne se me de hia wo he ade bra what's wrong na me do say edomani sa de osun takrache bibia mpanifo ka ba afen mo se no kure ba na me ofre wo no se na me frɛ wa ede ensohwe bi ni enyomanyoma bi na eba wo bra wotimi gina no wotimi face no could you believe say me nam hwe ya mehia wo me messenger ya suma me se me mesel me ka onyini se mma ye aka kire me se ade ya me metete wo ni ayintem bretantem na ayi relationship na ne better wom no any time me metete mo montem me tell am say mma ye se pa sana wo tie netiti so be relationship yo time po na ye tete o montem odi afam so se me na metima ye adwuma nti ka mete me so dan ka mese mo papa ba nhwema o ye me de me pa wasem Aroma, you are one of the people I met earlier in this school before the school started. That's why young Kofwa is starting school no, and I about half from now me closest friend. Day one. Opoku. Say cheese. I see me matter say montem. For what reason? No nyada. My drum ho plan nyina ba. My drum ho plan nyina senka me free. Can you me and come call Brita ho? You free come to bubu come free no na aka me ba ho straight to me una sham ni kitwa say come bubu come timo adwuma yo say wa woni twasen ke fala ma me yeah I know you are I know you are expert. Simple. I know you are minimum dinner that's why I say anything minimum I don't know the reason behind that so to me cut a member to teacher a teacher for that matter. Oh wow. You know, Opoku Senkai is student Crampody. I know you are students. But why would a teacher do that? Maybe me catch our soon. Me ba. I'm not being a gossip. But then only bibi na ebetana. Eno na me mentiase no. Eho na mentiase no. Me the assignment of the man me say, me mra na me tete wo ne bretantem. But when me catch that was so Aroma, me catch that was so school one for now, the moon and Madame Conquansa phone. Me catch that was so Aroma. Me pesa Boko and I'm in Peso Paco Tina baby a cabian. Would your father say at Timontem, but me to tell them. The power seems to number catcher. See, cheese. That is teacher new 2 years bini. Now any shoe. We so supported though, but then going to that extent, and I'm surprised. Minim so no in your cool. Yes, we are not cool. Minim someone in a but not to that extent. Exactly. Every part you can say when you cool, he can do that. It's no crown, mammy, a fat. Mammy, sometimes we can't some 2-3 no one you penny do penna. When your papa, ya did him, actually, no. To a kind of 23 nana could prefer. na kupe widi ya no pass ma dupe ti se na timi ya adwuma nti resource ne ba na mo say no ni nya na wo se mbabo amane because a train can na tese ba abode yo me fam ko wo me I like the fact say when who be now be catch but that doesn't mean say you should behave anyhow around me, bro. Thank you though, thank you. Now I don't call Obufu. Oh no. Oh, Obufu the dynamic system. No. So Obufu the dynamic system. Oh, Wilson. Wilson, don't do that. I said say me when na better watch Obufu. I am not angry. Who the one say woman and I make catch. And me person to say na me bu be me say. Secretary train can say but to me me fam ko. No, we are brothers, so we are aware. Aroma, sometimes you know maybe I am so but we are aware.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me am embroso with me ya. Me person me come any months so Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah, pray that today.
Say, I want to have a talk. Say James. Please, I want to have a talk with you, sir. Thank you. Very, very much, sir. Thank you very much. So you've made me realize that I'm a very big person. See, I don't know what catch your Opoku say. Me mean same when me catch you say.
Me masumo focus on my future. Wo for time we won't say me. Now me won't say my day. We need time for you. I don't have the time. Semi-university with lifestyle. For how? Semi-university with lifestyle.
That's what I don't understand, sir.
Huh?
Because I'm so small for this. I'm very, very small, sir.
By me, I can handle you.
You can't.
That is the
reason why.
You say?
I was even coming to the office.
Don't you ever call me next time.
The only reason why you have a problem with me is that I am always on track. I do my things and I don't wait for people to. You are a detector, so you know that.
Hey, you are a detector. Good.
What are you doing this?
Opoku me now I can handle you.
You can't say.
Let me problem here running somewhere. Obet here boy. And I keep top no. We are wrong. Huh?
But I heard it.
Are you crazy?
I heard it. And I want to tell you that I know that you hire somebody to do that. Yes. I'm on track.
You want to tell me?
I want to tell you. Yes. I won't hesitate to do that. I am telling you that I know.
I'm laughing.
Oh, come on, sir.
Let me tell you. Are you challenging the spirit?
This is not a challenge.
There is so many ways to kill a cat.
You see?
Yeah.
Good. This is what I was waiting for. This is what I was waiting for. You see, I placed the phone here. I was recording.
Oh, what?
There are so many ways of killing what?
You were recording the Good.
You will kill me.
No need to record you. But you can't do other call. But how to go the tanga?
That's what I wanted to
do.
Nigga. There are so many ways of killing a cat.
I'm not saying that.
That's what you said.
I'm not saying that.
That's what you just said.
I'm not saying that.
Good.
And time question.
There are so many ways of killing a cat.
What's your one me second?
Look at.
Hey. What about me second? What about teacher you second? Good. Huh? What about me second? Now do ko ni babankari and sawi and kake.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me am embroso with me ya. Me person me come any months so Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah, I pray that today you go be my day.
They say that you are calling.
Who told you you are calling?
One of the boys.
Look at your charm, I called you. Now you coming.
I was doing washing, that is why I'm late. That's expect see the Louis Vuitton.
Quarter Vuitton.
Oh, yeah, go for now.
They say quarter Vuitton. So Louis Vuitton, I'm saying quarter Vuitton. What then I will like dear assignment now the man me say.
So mu dey try be so that na you know homework no.
E dey say man say can share you know.
You know ade ma dwuma dey na ade ma say. Oh, Aroma mu dey me gusu wa kakra bi. Must say I'm saying mo me dia kire o mo no. Sa ma say again adwen no. Say ese woni se me ka kire o. E na Aroma mu emre nimle ya me kire ne tena se. Be 2 hours say. Enkomo nko a say. Me say na adwen say ya. Boy ni say ne yo gwa ku jage.
When you show insurance adwen na pa ni say yo. Me pa na wo de wan pe e na be sua de. O pe wi sua de no yi.
One eye open. One eye open no.
One eye open.
One eye open no.
Sao simi na wo di to school mo na why so what is all your concern yo
Say
we your concern you papa hey wa no fiance fish oh wa ha say no say fish na wo go chuku me ami na mka me so ha fiance fish what is your concern you guruma me kode me kom
e na maye say du ma ti se me
wa asembe una ko ka cha Aroma say on shed we na me nya na me ha no me wo ye ni probo what is the concern ko school man nyina ko Opoku say wa say me say wa ha fish me say wa ha na wa ha fish
on say wa ko yo chirichiri ni na won nim de o say no but ti say bia
no say bibi but you said it.
Who say bibi?
Am I looking for something? Am I looking for something?
No, you are not looking for something. What if I make a catch it because cow is free cry? You whom you will make us a more careful. Oh, but on say the view children, you perceive you make us a tier one.
But Opoku, me say Benz.
I say we no old type. Oh, we whom we pa obi
me say Benz.
Okay, I'm going to tap for
me.
We have one.
Yeah. Wow. Wallahi wo pay school.
Na my day.
No man won kan school. Na wo be jai school we jai school akira adi school e babu ayo Roman school.
Say na me dey my day.
Wo be call Roman school.
Adi a wo di ma me dwuma di ade che wo dey meka no kore
me so be jai school.
Man shada say bia me ka kire ne do.
Me ta taw.
Man ka say
be best school no I had so no konkonsa so ne fa na bi kunni. Na me abu kunni jane.
Abinku ni
jane ya kudu na abinku ni uju na wachiche ni pasu wa jane
abinku ni say ba me pese me ya abinku ni de ni bi aduma de adema me ko yo ba me ga no ti de me du ho
no so do ya Scanty ni na mo cha besi school me mo chance
me Scanty ni
we Scanty ni we be jai kele school e be boy Roman school. Baby a mi ntimi ko dinko mi mbonwura won say ho Roman school
ya ka nyina
the pia English school pia kwasia na woni ntisa
me ga yo
kan kwa
se me ga yo o promo me ga yo school mo se me ka ho bi
o ga mpo na ko di konkon
enye se me kire mi kire mba
you are better you live in this school me ka AC Milan am boy so be jai
boy AC Milan
AC Milan am a boy
and I'm just you play a bay na be chere twi wa hai
Antonio ni jiro
Antonio we AC Milan
me AC Milan ko amenya bo
influence mama ka we AC Milan say no free ho Antonio be ya now say jersey number say now say jersey number 10 seed of na na she
one seed of jazz one be she
AC Milan
seed of jazz 10 she one be she stand jersey
e ka me print what in
we new record but see we come do be fast
it's not my fault it's not my fault man should that say be me
of what in so gina wonum no ko ma go maka chero
brofu me no nyina na scale ba ko
wonu me gina we betimi ho atoto no brofu we betimi
don't you let you
never man don't compare yourself to me
don't
mean don't call
say and I dey make am mama nchirem man me do on me say my dream no ko play to say then
no concern tell wa me wa we concern me so what no have to
no ma say na ma ka to to
go say
so what
that me na ka kwa na me dwa no me say
so na me say fish me
say na me so fish as me say bench
okay me you fi bench no ba kodo
sabi ba bench
kodo den ka pe bench all type